Good afternoon, class! Today we'll be talking about cloning.
Or a copy of sequence of DNA as from a gene that is produced by genetic engineering. The clone is then transplanted into the nucleus of a cell from which genetic material has been removed.
Very interesting, Abby. Now, on to facts about why people don't want to clone animals. As we researched, we found that defects among cloned animals include overly large fetuses, placental disorders, and inflation of the brain and spinal cord. Another point is, though, like all cloning enterprises, this is being met with a great deal of controversy. Not least because some animal clones have died prematurely. Animals would get overpopulated if people kept cloning them.
Some people believe that cloning should not be allowed because of biblical reasons. Concerns about cloning animals for food go beyond questions of food safety. In addition to concern for animal welfare, many people have ethical and moral qualms about animal cloning. According to recent surveys, for example, 64% of Americans think cloning is morally wrong.
Dang, girl, that is just crazy.
And another 63% would not buy cloned food, even if it were labeled as safe.
Alright, enough with that. On to why people like to clone animals. There are several reasons that scientists want to clone animals, and these include preservation of species, biomedical research, harvesting organs for
Xenotransplantation.
Dang, great work, girl.
Girl, you ubiquitous.
I'm ubiquitous. And tastier food. Some companies are getting into the field of pet cloning. Can you tell me about cloning plants now?
Sure can.
Wow, thanks. Maintaining the most desirable characteristics. Maintaining desirable characteristics can increase crop yield and quality, not quantity. We know quality is better than quantity. Quality while reducing the incidences of crop failure.
Grain predictability. This can help increase food supplies and business profits.
Okay, another point is less expensive and easier than seeds. Cloning is less expensive, faster, and easier than propagating
yeah.
from seeds for certain plant species. Now, on to why we shouldn't clone plants.
Sterility. If some factors, such as environmental changes, diseases, or pests, wiped out an entire population of a cloned plant species, there would be virtually no way to repopulate them. Genetic inflexibility, cloning in plants, particularly in mass quantity, is that when genetic diversity is lost, so is the species of genetic flexibility as a whole.
Wow, this is just really stressing me out. I mean, goodness.
Woo!
I would love to clone some plants. Another point is lack of genetic diversity.
As you can see, we're both very diverse, and that's a good thing to have in the world.
Woohoo! If a disease or pest devastated a population of cloned plants, all of these plants would be equally affected because they had the same genetic weakness. Yorda! Thanks for watching, friends! Woo! Whoa! Did you change?
No, it's just Schoonover hanging out.
Dang, girl. I thought she works at the school.
No. She doesn't.
Oh, not on the weekends?
Nope. She takes her weekends off and hangs out.
Ah! Look at you! In a second, you will be seeing a couple of behind the scenes that some cloning videos that I don't really know who made them. We just kind of found them on YouTube, but it's like cloning a sheep and like a tree, but the tree's not really big, so just be aware.
So just let go with that because
We
Just
can invent a
go
big
with that.
tree. Okay?
Okay, so step off.
No worries, you'll be laughing all day. So, bam!
What up, girl?
Woo! Enjoy. Ba! 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 And go.
I got stuck in my beard. Shake the tree, shake it. Shake it. Coco!
What?
Here's the bloopers!
The bloopers?
Bloopers! Do the back.
I'm a sheep in a blah 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 blah. I'm a sheep in a blah 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 blah. I'm a sheep in a blah blah. I'm a sheep in a blah blah blah.
I'm a sheep in a baha! I'm a sheep in a baha!
I'm a sheep in a blah.
I'm a sheep in a baha!
Why people don't want to clone animals. So we did a little bit of research and we found that defects among cloned animals include overly large fetuses, placental.
Just go. God, Coco!
I laughed. I can't do it.
It's fine, we can crop it out. Just go.
No.
Oh my god, fine.
Good morning, class.
Afternoon.